how to get a car dealer license in Indiana. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a car dealer license in Indiana. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by deciding if you want to be a new or used car dealer, wholesale dealer, or auto auctioneer. Each license type has specific requirements. If you are applying for a used car dealer license, you'll need to take a pre-licensing education course approved by the Indiana Secretary of State SOS. Register your business entity with the Indiana Secretary of State as a corporation, LLC, or other business type. This ensures that your business is legally recognized. Find a location for your dealership and confirm that it meets all local zoning requirements. Ensure it includes an office space, display area, and sign that meets Indiana's requirements. You'll need an IN from the IRS if you plan to hire employees or if your business structure requires it. This number is essential for tax purposes. Fill out the dealer application form from the Indiana Secretary of State Motor Vehicle Dealer Services Division. Be prepared to submit documents like your bond, proof of location, and any required certifications. As part of the application process, Indiana requires fingerprinting and a background check for all owners listed on the application. Include the necessary fees when you submit your application. The fees vary based on the dealer license type, so check the latest fee schedule from the Indiana SOS. Once your application is approved, the SOS will conduct an on site inspection of your dealership to verify it meets state requirements. Receive your dealer license and plates. After passing the inspection and final approval, you'll receive your dealer license and be eligible to order dealer plates, allowing you to legally operate in Indiana. That's all for the video.